What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
So I just came back from the Apple store. They said my iPad is not fixable. Do you think you could fix it? Because I need my kids' pictures that's in there.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
God damn, look at this screen. Let's see if we can fix this. Your iPad is ready, miss. Look at that.
Oh my God, you fixed it? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for